Wow, that's all I got to say. Well, no, I got a lot more to say. We have a 71 Chevy Blazer K5. It is absolutely meticulously body off frame, rotisserie, every nut and bolt restored. It is pristine under this truck. Got a 6-liter LS2 motor in there, vintage air, 4-inch high country lift. This thing is incredible. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see 200 incredible cars, and they're all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and the monthly payment, including this Blazer right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So it has a white removable hardtop that's in all of our pictures. I decided to do the video with the top off. It's all restored as well. But the fit and finish is amazing. This is just glass. They call it lunar gray, and it's just a piece of gray glass, polished, pristine. I don't see a mark, a nick, a chip. I don't see shrinkage in the paint, bodywork. I don't see anything showing. White along the bottom. All beautiful, pristine, straight as an arrow, straight as a laser beam, however you want to call it. It is straight, pristine metal. And again, this paint even feels slick to the touch. I like the white Chevrolet lettering. Looks like it has some LED taillights, reverse lights, chrome bumper, all the moldings, everything is new. They've relocated the fuel. I wonder where that is. We'll find it. So all the moldings down the side are new, door handles are new, all the weather strips are new, all the glass is new in the truck. I'm not sure about the top, I'll look at that again, but the windows in the truck are new, even the chrome vent frames and rubber seals and mirrors and emblems, all that's been replaced. It's got some big Baja Mickey Thompson tires with 17 by 9 wheels on there, some nice looking custom wheels. Custom chrome grille, not the anodized trim. This is all chromed, all sparkling and beautiful. Everything on it, all the lenses and marker lights and gaskets, it's all been replaced. I think it just turned about 300 miles since it's been done. Now the underneath of the wheel wells are painted as nice as this right here. There's that clear protective coating, the clear bra that you put on the front of the Corvette. Probably be a good idea to put that in there, and you don't have to worry about chipping that up. That's something we can talk to our shop about. So that's the outside. We got a lot more to show you inside. Got a good old-fashioned tailgate here, ready for a tailgate party. The stainless trim up on top is new. The inside is painted tan to match the interior. You can see it's all nicely carpeted and upholstered. That rear seat is adjustable and, I believe, removable. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. I did just look at the hardtop, and it looks like all the glass and gaskets are new on that as well. So these jambs are painted, the latches are new, all the inside metal is painted that tan color. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles, that's all been replaced. And looking at the dash, all the dash pad, all the trim, the bezels, all replaced. Upgraded gauges, they had the vintage look, but those are all new modern gauges with the tachometer. Has a retro stereo, vintage air, electric controls. And this does have a JBL amplifier. It has an extra plug-in underneath here. We got kick panel speakers right here. All nice carpet. And then the seats have been reupholstered, recushioned. They got some nice bolster, some really great seats. It has a factory style center console with a couple of cup holders. I imagine that opens somehow. Yeah, just lift it open. Some manuals in there for the radio. Looks like we got reproduction GM seat belts. Then in the back here, the side walls are upholstered, and it has 6x9 speakers. They match the front speakers, the same brand. Seat is upholstered and cushioned, just like the front buckets. Now we got a beautiful custom steering wheel on a tilt column. Then up above, the visors, the mirror, that's all new. You know what I just noticed too that I really like? It does not have the window frame around the doors. So when the door's shut, you don't have that ugly metal frame. It's all nice and open. It's really good looking that way. All new painless wiring throughout. So that is a LS2 6-liter engine. We're told it's putting out 430 horsepower. That's an Edelbrock Pro Flow fuel injection system up on top there. And under the coil packs, they gave it the old school Chevrolet script valve covers to make it look like an old, 350 motor, something like that. It has Schoenfeld coated headers, nice polished dipsticks on the motor and trans. Look how clean the engine bay is. All clean, smooth metal. The heater hoses and AC lines neatly run right into the firewall. Everything is spotless. Got a gel cell battery. The front of the motor has a CVF runner system. I'm standing on my tippy toes so I can see over. All polished components, the bracket, the pulleys, the AC compressor, serpentine belt. It looks like it has a one-wire alternator, the modern power steering. And then we have an upgraded radiator here. It looks like 2 electric fans. And then everything up in front of the radiator, the covers, look how nice and smooth that is. Squirters are hooked up. We got power brakes. Every single component I see looks brand new. It's all clean. I mean, there's no wires and garbage running about. It's all nice and clean and tidy. The bottom side of the hood is painted beautifully. So Michael's going to show you how that LS2 motor runs. We'll see you back in a couple minutes.
All right, everybody. If you're looking for the best of the best Blazer out there, you just found it. This thing is freaking sweet. Got the 6-liter LS2 underneath the hood. It's rated at 430 horsepower. Turbo 350 automatic transmission. It's got the high crunchy lift kit on here. Steering stabilizer. The wheels and tires are just freaking awesome. The interior is gorgeous and comfortable. I mean, it really don't get any better than this. Look how it's just eating up these bumps. You know, a lot of times you'll see on these ones that got the nice lift on them that they're bouncing all around. This thing rides out nice and smooth, very high quality suspension, and feels fantastic. Our shop and detail department went over this thing top to bottom. It is spick and span, every single square inch of it, and our total bill between detail and parts and service, just a little loose ends tied up on here, was about $2,300. So she's really dialed in and ready to put some miles in. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no problem. I really babied her. She's only got 310 miles on the odometer, so, you know, still breaking her in, but fantastic performance, excellent sounding exhaust. Let's see how it goes down the road. Beautiful alignment. I feel like I could take a nap. We'll still be going straight. Absolutely fantastic vehicle. Guys, get online and check out pictures of the undercarriage on this one. Everything's brand new and it looks just as good as the top. Absolutely fantastic experience. Come down, test drive it for yourself. No complaints on this one and no regrets. Check out all the details at volocars.com.
So I found where the fuel filler is. The taillight pops open. It's behind there. So underneath this truck is about the most detailed underside I've ever seen on any vehicle here. It is spotless. Everything was replaced. All the steering has a high country 4-inch lift, all the springs, the steering stabilizer, the shocks, it's all a match set. Custom dual exhaust system with hooker mufflers, Boyd polished fuel tank back there. Willwood disc brake system at all 4 of the wheels, and every nut, bolt, clip, brake line, fuel line, all of it's replaced. The bottom of the motor has some nice finned aluminum trim. I think the oil pan, the flywheel cover, high torque starter, turbo 350 automatic transmission, 2-speed transfer case. It's got the fin covers on the front and rear differentials. Just absolutely spotless underneath there. This is a beautiful truck. There's other things I didn't mention. The stereo is a Bluetooth. It has these bead locks on here. Just incredible. Oh, I'll get to show you the taillight. There, they relocated it. I believe the original fuel filler would have been on the side here, so gave it a nice clean look. Go to volocars.com if you want to buy one of the best blazers that are available. I love the colors too. Nice, subtle, but classy, vintage color combination. Anyway, go to volocars.com. Salesman will answer your questions, including how you're going to get your blazer delivered to your home and how to get financing if you need help with that too. Thanks for watching.